How does Melacha guide Jewish employers on employee rights? Imagine a world where fairness and respect are woven into the fabric of every business deal. In Jewish law, this idea is rooted in a powerful principle called Melacha. It is more than just a rule. It is a moral compass guiding employers to treat their workers with dignity and justice. This principle comes straight from the Torah and has been expanded by rabbinic scholars to shape ethical business practices. At its core, Melacha emphasizes that workers must be paid promptly once their work is done. Delaying wages is seen as a serious violation because workers relying on their pay for daily needs like food and shelter. Employers are required to pay the full amount owed immediately after work ends, including any expenses the worker paid out of pocket, such as for food or lodging. Partial payments are not enough. The entire sum must be given to respect the worker's dignity. Even if an employer faces financial hardship, the law stresses that paying workers on time is a top priority. It is considered commendable for employers to borrow money or sell assets to meet this obligation rather than delay wages. Protecting vulnerable employees, especially those who depend on their wages for basic survival, is a key part of this law. Withholding wages from someone in need is not only illegal but also goes against Jewish values of charity and caring for others. Beyond just paying on time, Jewish law encourages employers to treat workers fairly and with respect. This includes allowing workers to eat from the crops they harvest and permitting them to leave work under reasonable conditions without penalty. Employers should make clear agreements about wages before work begins to prevent disputes and build trust. These agreements should specify how much will be paid, when, and under what conditions. The spiritual aspect of Melacha reminds us that a worker's salary is linked to their soul. Withholding wages can cause spiritual harm, making timely payment a moral duty as well as a legal one. In everyday life, this means that Jewish employers are guided to prioritize their employees' rights by paying wages promptly, treating them with fairness, and maintaining honest business practices. These principles are part of a larger system of Jewish financial ethics, which focus on moral conduct and communal responsibility. When employers follow these rules, they not only comply with tradition but also foster a workplace built on trust, respect, and justice.